very warm welcome. I'm Smriti Rastogi and I'm here to give you the highlights on the gala opening of Commonwealth Games 2010, which have commenced today in our national capital New Delhi at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. This multi-sport event is scheduled from 3rd October to 14th October, in which 54 members of Commonwealth nations and 71 teams are participating.
We now have the national anthem of India at this stadium.
उल्टी गिनती पूरी होते ही ये आतिशबाजी का खूबसूरत मंजर। एरोस्टैट को पहली बार किसी ऐसे समारोह में इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है।
Due to small businesses, it will also showcase the growth and development of the latest
बच्चों ने इस कपड़े पर मेहंदी के छापे बनाने शुरू कर दिए हैं। मेहंदी जो खास तौर पर शादी ब्याह और तीज त्योहारों पर लगाई जाती है, आखिर ये भी तो त्योहार है खेलों का।
And this is a creation with mehendi. Mehendi, which consists of decorations of hands and feet, is really by using henna, and it's used at different important times, especially weddings and cultural events in terms of festivals, as we showcase this mehendi preparation by the children just under this sheet of cloth here. Just watch it. So beautiful, so intricate.
the 2006 Commonwealth Games.
As we now move on to the more formal part of the program here, as we welcome the heroes of the Commonwealth Games, the athletes, the sportspersons, and that's Cheryl McMahon who's leading, and she's really one of the top players in netball in the world as she leads the Australian delegation into the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. The flag bearer there in the back is Mohammad Asif Hussain Khan, who is a shooter. Mohammad Hussain Khan, who's a shooter here. The flag bearer is Keina Martinez, who's an athlete. Keina Martinez, who's an athlete there.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome
part of the Americas.
Botswana.
As I was mentioning about the saris, there's going to be 71 different types of saris being draped here. One of the most elegant dresses that the world has seen. A simple attire, but absolutely elegant. And here, the flag bearer Amtaleve really bringing in this side, as each of these athletes are really looking happy to be part of this 19th Commonwealth Games. The maple leaf there, Sanjeev, and who cannot mistake it, one of the largest contingents coming into the Commonwealth Games.
बिल्कुल जॉसलिन। केनेथ परेरा, हॉकी के जाने माने खिलाड़ी, दल का नेतृत्व करते हुए।
Has an Indian origin there. His parents come from Goa as they migrated to Canada, and that's all about the Commonwealth. You know, you come together, sharing of people, moving information, and really plenty of goodwill. Prince Charles on the far side was the President of India. Mata Kenny Vale, who's going to be taking part in the lawn bowls. That's the Cook Islands from the Pacific Ocean. And the languages spoken there are English and Maori. And a big roar here for England. England, from where the Commonwealth really began. Here you have the Bhangra dancers who are just on view there. And you have the England side coming on view there. And from England is the nation that really has been able to get this Commonwealth Games going. The man leading there is the badminton player or flag bearer Nathan Robertson. Definitely a smile there, isn't it? As Prince Charles, a gentle nod. Yes, it is England. It's just sad that the Queen is not here, but being represented here by His Royal Highness Prince Charles. Two drums. You have the drummers from Manipur. You have the drummers from Kerala.
इसके दल का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं इज़ेकियल केम्बॉय शेबॉय, जो एथलीट हैं।
The steeplechase champion there. Flag bearer there in this traditional attire is Selawan Suali. She's an athlete, and that's what it's all about in the Commonwealth. To showcase your culture, the hats, the attire, the dresses. One of the largest contingents ever, 620 sportspersons representing India. The largest democracy in the world.
और अब आ रहा है भारत का दल मैदान में है।
As President Pratibha Patil, Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, and all the dignitaries clap for host nation India. India looks forward to being number 2 in this Commonwealth Games, to do exceedingly well. Looking forward to the man there, Abhinav Bindra, the one who got the gold medal at the last Olympics, shooter in rifle. As Dr. Manmohan Singh applauds, the crowd applauds, many of them on their feet. India looking forward to medals in shooting, in weightlifting, in wrestling. And India has got Leander Paes, it's got Mahesh Bhupathi, it's got Sania Mirza. And yes, India has a very, very special place in the Commonwealth Games. The Prince of Wales, Prince Charles, applauds, Camilla applauds, the Prime Minister, his wife, Ruchran Singh applauds, as all our sportspersons dressed so elegantly in the sherwani and the lovely and elegant saris.